This is the front of the dash is out, as you can see, and the temperature sensor for the vent is this one here, this wire here, and there's the sensor there. Two little prongs, pull these in and then pull the catch off. Don't do that. There's the catch off. There's the sensor. This one this turns to the one side. There. Turns clockwise and then it'll come out. So I'm told. There. That's the sensor. One sensor. There's a little hole under there. Turn it to the front. Locks into position and the catch goes on. This is the position of that. Get some light on it. Not much good light, is it?